What if I told you Bitcoin whales, those big players with deep pockets, are stacking coins like never before? Today, we're unpacking 5 massive trends that could mean a market boom is on the way. Bitcoin's looking steady as a rock, altcoins are flashing a rare signal, and DeFi projects are booming like crazy. Plus, we've got insider scoop on what the big fish are up to and a killer way for you to jump in safely. Stick around to the end for a special perk that could set you up for the ride. Ready to see why everyone's buzzing about crypto right now? Grab a snack, and let's get into it. Kicking things off with the king of crypto, Bitcoin. Picture this. It's August 2025, and Bitcoin's sitting pretty at around $115,000. That's wild, right? But here's the cool part. It's not just the price. There's this thing called the Mayer multiple. Fancy name, simple idea. It's Bitcoin's price divided by its 200-day moving average. When it's super high, like over 2, it's a sign Bitcoin might be overbought, ready for a dip. Right now, it's chilling at 1.15, nice and stable. Not even close to previous top ranges. And the chart backs it up. No red flags since those crazy peaks in 2017 and 2021. So, what's this mean for you? Bitcoin is in a healthy spot, not too hot, not too cold. For new buyers, it's like a green light. Maybe a good time to dip your toes in. Just don't go all in without a plan, okay? Stability's great, but there's more brewing. Let's see what the whales are up to next. Now hold up, Bitcoin's not just stable, it's getting gobbled up by whales. Whales are those mega investors with thousands of Bitcoins, and Crypto Randy's chart from Glassnode shows they're stacking at an unprecedented rate. Since mid-2024, their holdings have spiked. Think a 60% jump in a year. The chart's wild. Bitcoin's price climbs to new highs, and the blue whale zone just keeps growing. Why's this matter? When whales buy big, it's like they're betting on a price surge. They've got the cash to move markets, and their confidence can pull prices up. But here's a twist, someone replied. They reduced a little bit lately. True, there's a tiny dip, but the trend is still up. For new folks, this is a heads up. Big players see value here. Could it mean a parabolic run, like BycoInfo says, mirroring gold's crazy climb to $3,300? Maybe. Bitcoin's at $115,000 now. Imagine where it could go. Keep watching those whales. They might just signal the next boom. Okay, let's zoom out from Bitcoin to altcoins, those other coins with big potential. As Ash Crypto dropped, the altcoin market just hit a golden cross. But what's that? It's when the 50-day average price crosses above the 200-day average, a super bullish sign. Last time this happened in late 2024, altcoins shot up $181 billion, up 67%. And now, the total market cap, excluding the top 10 coins, is at $270 billion. Ash says it's time to send alts to new highs, and trading volumes are spiking. For beginners, this is huge. Altcoins can be riskier but offer bigger rewards. Think of it like catching a wave. Bitcoin's steady, but altcoins might surf higher. Just watch out, volatility is real. With whales loading up on Bitcoin, could this golden cross spark a full-on crypto party? Possibly. Next, let's check out DeFi. Some projects there are lighting up social media, and that's a clue worth chasing. DeFi, or decentralized finance, it's like banking without banks, and it's on fire right now. Phoenix Group's chart ranks the top DeFi projects by social activity on August 3rd, and wow, the numbers are nuts. Solana's leading with 130,000 engaged posts and 22.9 million interactions in just 24 hours. That's tweets, likes, comments, pure hype. Ripple's at 49,000 posts, Chainlink's at 17,900, and it goes down to Tezos at 6,700. Why's this matter? Social buzz often means a project's got momentum. People are talking, maybe investing. It's a cheat code. Watch what's trending. Take Solana. Its new Seeker Web3 phone ships August 4th, per the DeFi Investor. That could explain the chatter. Or Athena, with $99 million in ENA tokens unlocking August 5th. That's a flood of new coins hitting the market, shaking things up. DeFi is where altcoins shine, and with that golden cross, these projects could ride the tide. Want in? There's a smart way to start. Stick with me for that. Alright, you're hyped about Bitcoin, altcoins, and DeFi. Now what? Here's your move. MEXC Starter Sparks event. It's live until August 15th, with up to 16,000 USDT in rewards. Deposit and trade, and you can score big. $40 for a 100 USDT deposit, up to $8,000 for 20,000 USDT. But the real gem? First trade protection. Deposit at least 100 USDT, make your first futures trade of 100 USDT, and if it flops, you get up to 100% loss coverage, minimum 5 USDT back. That's a safety net for new users. Imagine this. Whales are buying, altcoins are surging, and you're testing the waters with MEXC deal. Metaplanet's hoarding 17,000 Bitcoin, aiming for 210,000 by 2027. Big players are all in. Use my referral link in the top pinned comment to jump on this. Start small, learn the ropes, and ride these trends. Crypto is heating up. Don't just watch, get in smart. Bitcoin's steady, whales are stacking, altcoins are flashing green, and DeFi is cooking. Plus, you've got MEXC to kick things off. We're at a tipping point. August 2025 could be when crypto blasts off, and you're not on the sidelines anymore. Love this breakdown. Smash that like button and drop a comment. What's your next move? Are you buying or selling? Subscribe to Crypto Yield Pro so you don't miss my next daily scoop. Oh, and check out our video on yield farming basics. It's a goldmine for beginners. This market's moving fast, and I'm here to keep you ahead. Use that MEXC link, start small, and let's grow together. Thanks for hanging out. Let's make some smart moves and catch this wave. Never financial advice. See you tomorrow in the next one.